Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You too, Jin. You know, I really like these new tires. Now I won't have to be as concerned.
Will you turn that dis-
Hello, everyone!
Hello, Gani.
Oh my. Be careful.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I will...
Here, boys! We got us a couple of rookies. I'm gonna call you Muddy Britches, and you...
I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. There, right there. In the hood, right there.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us. No strategy. It's a very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win.
You're in.
What?
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
And now, our last competitor, number 95, Lightning!
Guten Abend, Fräulein.
So, Herr Doktor, what does...
Waiter! What did I tell you about talking to the accused?
To not to.
Yeah, drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
Okay, I'm gonna be fine. Moving runway, moving runway. There it is. Here we go. Okay, maybe if I just came.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
I love this guy.
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
No, like the flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
ghost
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley. Chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling.
I'd like to introduce...
First, I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints.
No, please don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Move! Cruise! I knew you had something. And now look at you.
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder, Kazuga!
After microscopic examination, I have found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an
Oh!